WhatsApp has released lots of awesome new features this year. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll be telling you about our top 8 picks of the new features WhatsApp released in 2024. Now let's get started. Meta AI was a huge new feature added to WhatsApp along with other Meta apps like Instagram and Facebook. You can chat with the Meta AI to ask questions, get help with WhatsApp, get helpful recommendations, or even just chat about your interests. You can also now chat with Meta AI through voice chat, which makes it convenient even if you can't or don't want to type. Meta AI can also generate images if you provide a prompt. If you tap the Imagine feature in your chat, you can type in a prompt and the AI will generate an image based on what you describe. Similarly, you can use WhatsApp's AI to create custom stickers to send in your chats. Check out our video on how to create custom WhatsApp stickers to learn more about this. Our next favorite new WhatsApp feature is the event planning tool. Previously only available in communities, you can now use the event planning tool in any group chat on WhatsApp. Tap the plus sign and select Event. Then you can add a name and description for your event, a date and time for it to start, and an end time if you like. Add a location or set up a call link if you want to host your event virtually through a video call. Then send out your invite to your group chat. This makes it easy for your group to keep track of your event details. Another awesome new feature is a small but mighty addition, draft messages. This feature makes it easy to see when you've started typing a message to someone but didn't send it off. You'll see a draft label on these chats in your chat list with a preview of what your drafted message says. If you want to clean up your list of chats to keep it organized, try out the new list feature. This feature gives you preset lists for all chats, unread, favorites, and groups, but you can also create additional custom lists for family members, friends, coworkers, or whatever other categories you want to create. Check out our video on this feature to learn more. Want to have a video call with a friend but don't want them to see your messy background? WhatsApp has you covered with new AI background effects for video calls. You can blur your background or pick one of the fun background effects from the menu. Check out our tutorial to learn more about how to use this feature. If you have an iPhone, you can create shortcuts for chats or status updates on WhatsApp using home screen widgets. See a preview of your chats or your friends' new statuses right on your home screen without even having to open the app. A super useful feature that WhatsApp surprisingly didn't have until recently is the ability to mark all messages as read without having to open them individually. WhatsApp recently added this read all function to their mobile app, and it's a very welcome addition. Last but not least, we have the new feature to silence unknown callers on WhatsApp. While WhatsApp is intended to make it easy to connect with people you know, you may occasionally get calls from unfamiliar numbers. This feature makes it easy to block these calls so your phone won't ring when you receive a call from someone you don't know. Check out our video on this feature to learn more. That wraps up our rundown of the best new features added to WhatsApp in 2024. If you'd like to learn more about WhatsApp, check out our playlist of WhatsApp tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.